Have you ever felt like entering your PIN or password every single time you unlock your phone is unnecessary? If you're using your device in a safe environment and want quicker access, Android gives you the option to remove the lock screen security in just a few simple steps. Here's exactly how you can do it. First of all, unlock your phone and swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel. Tap the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Once you're in settings, scroll until you find security and privacy. On some Android phones, especially older models or different brands, this menu may be called lock screen, security, or lock screen and AOD. Inside the security settings, tap screen lock or lock screen. Before you can make any changes, Android will ask you to verify your identity by entering your current PIN, password, or pattern. This is a built-in safety feature that prevents anyone else from changing your phone's security settings without your permission. After verification, you'll see a list of available screen lock options. To completely remove your lock screen security, tap None. If you still want a simple unlock gesture without using a password, choose Swipe instead. Confirm your selection if your phone asks for one final confirmation. Your new setting will be applied immediately. The next time you wake your phone, you won't have to enter a PIN, password, or pattern anymore. If you selected Swipe, you'll only need a quick swipe to access your home screen. Before you leave the security settings, remember that removing your screen lock also removes an important layer of protection. Anyone who picks up your phone will be able to access your apps, photos, messages, and personal information. If your device contains sensitive data or is used for banking and payments, it's generally safer to keep a secure screen lock enabled. That's it, your Android phone no longer requires a PIN or password. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more easy tech tutorials.